Please stand by. Emergency information will soon be issued. Ensure your device is audible. Please stand by. Emergency information will soon be issued. Ensure your device is audible. This is BBC Television from London. We have interrupted regular programming to bring you important information that your life may depend on. We have received information of an explosion at St Pancras railway station from the City of London Police. At approximately 4:25 p.m, an explosion within the station was reported just as the 4:25 service to Brighton was departing from Platform A. It is unknown whether this is one of many attacks or how severe the situation is. And because of that, you are advised to leave central London immediately. Staying in central London will endanger you and your loved ones. Do not use telephone services to inquire about loved ones. The emergency services will not have any knowledge on the condition of the injured. Telephone lines will also become flooded and you will be preventing emergency information from being relayed from the police. The City of London Police have requested for this broadcast to remain active so we can relay information as soon as we receive it. Stay tuned to this channel for more information as the situation develops. We have now received reports of a second attack at Liverpool Street Station. Reports claim 3 armed men have ran into the station and started shooting anyone they see. For those evacuating, you are advised to stay away from the area. For those in northeastern London, you must leave immediately. The attack is ongoing with multiple police forces en route to the scene of both attacks. Extra police personnel have been dispatched to highly populated areas of London to watch for more attacks, and to help guide those evacuating to safety. Follow their instructions for the safety of others as well as your own. We can now report that police have now arrived to the scene of the second attack and police are expected to arrive at the first attack shortly. The number of casualties is currently unknown. This broadcast will remain on air to provide more information. Once again, please stand. We are sorry for the sudden interruption in the emergency broadcast. We have just received news that another explosion has occurred at St Pancras a few moments ago. A van has rammed into the station at high speeds and the driver jumped out just before the van crashed into the building. The driver has now begun firing shots in the streets of central London. As before, the death toll is unknown. We strongly advise those who are still in central London to evacuate now. Remaining in central London will put your life in immediate danger. All forms of public transport has been ceased until further notice. The second attack has slightly de-escalated but still ongoing, with one of the 3 shooters committing suicide after being surrounded by police. However, 2 officers have been shot by the remaining active shooters. Medical teams will attend to them and other injured people once the attack has ended. Prime Minister Tony Blair has released a statement that reads, "I give my greatest condolences to those who have been injured or killed in these attacks, and we in our great law enforcement promise to bring those who have brought suffering to the City of London and the nation to justice." We will make sure that those who attempt to divide our nation will not be allowed to win. Justice will be served no matter what. Once more, stay tuned for further updates on the situation. We can now confirm that the second attack has ended. The police were able to apprehend the 2 remaining shooters. After one was disarmed, the other attempted to flee the scene. However, police were able to block all possible exits from the station and apprehend them. One of the shooters has been identified as ethically white with short black hair, and the other was ethically white with brown hair. The motive for the attacks is currently unknown, and police are taking the perpetrators into custody for questioning. However, it is believed that these attacks were attempts to stop the Iraq invasion launched by the Prime Minister and US President, George W. Bush. We will now go to BBC News for the latest on this story, as normal programming has been suspended for the time being.